going on, everyone? Hope you're all doing well. Now I'll be quickly breaking down the trade that I took on Friday on UJ, where we secured a nice 6% on the account with a beautiful entry, one of the best entries I've had in a while actually. I'll quickly show you guys the entry right there. It was a beautiful snipe, can't lie to you guys. But anyways, let's get, before I move on, just to let you guys know, I have now put in the link to join the course and the Discord. Now, if you head over to my bio and you click, let me go back, I moved too fast. If you go to my bio, you click the link, you go to course plus Discord. You can go through everything that you'll get once you make the purchase. So you'll get a full in-depth course teaching you everything you need to know about smart money trading. You'll get my 24/7 support. You'll get added to the community. You'll be sent all my daily trade setups that I'll be taking myself. And I'll be hosting weekly Zoom calls where I'll be breaking down pairs that I'm watching and may enter in the future days throughout the call. And it'll all be for $350, which converts to £250. But anyways, moving on, let's get straight into it. Now, USD JPY. First things first, we head over to the daily. Now, as we can see here, price was reacting perfectly to an area of supply that I had marked out on the daily time frame. Right now, once I noticed some rejections of that daily supply, I started to breaking down over to the smaller time frame. Now let's replay price back to this point over here. Right, so first things first that I identified was this liquidity that was created right here. We had very nice equal lows that's yet to be taken out. Right now, once I identified this liquidity, I started to look for more reasons why I should start looking for sells. And what else can we identify? This imbalance right over here. Right? This whole area here. So essentially, I already know when it comes to taking profit, I'll be looking to target this area of imbalance. Now, once I identified this liquidity and price started to pull up, I started to look for areas where I can sell off from. Now, the first thing that we done was we simply took out Fibonacci. We head over to that small time frame real quick. We went over to the smaller time frame and we fibbed up the swing high and the swing low. And we started to look at our areas of discount. As we can see, we have this nice base over here that aligns perfectly with our discounted fib. Now, if I remove that real quick. So, essentially, I'm interested in this entire area over here. Now we break over to the 10-minute, that's where I found my entry. And as we can clearly identify right over here, we have an unmitigated order block. Right? That's essentially where I took my entry of. Now if I just change that real quick and extend it over. And we go back to that. Actually, let's stay on the 15-minute real quick. Now, I know you guys hear me talking about this quite a lot, but trust me, this is very beneficial. The price cycle, right? It repeats itself over and over again. What do we have right here? An area of consolidation, right? What happens now? Price expands outside this area of consolidation. And when price expands, it always leaves imbalance, right? Creates imbalance. What do we know about imbalance? Price has to come back and fill in those imbalances, right? And once it expanded over to the downside, what did it create? Liquidity. So we now know price has expanded outside an area of consolidation, and we can assume price is going to pull back to fill in any inefficient price action. It will then mitigate our order block, and on that reversal, it will look to seek for any liquidity. So we have that liquidity down here that we know is going to be taken out. We also have this inefficient price action that is yet to be filled in. Right? So that's why I essentially took this trade. Now, if I were to take shorts from here, with my stop loss just there, we extend price a bit, and then we start targeting our TP. Now let's head over to that higher time frame so we don't have to watch price play out so slow on the replay mode. So let's wait for price to mitigate our area. There we go. There it is. That was our entry and that was our TP, and now we let price play out and see what happens. There we go. Price smashed our TP. Beautiful entry, beautiful exit. Now, in terms of risk to reward, it was a 1 to 12. It's because I gave some space for my trade to play out. And that was it, literally. Very straightforward. And also, once I broke over to the downside, I started to notice this nice schematic that played out as price approached that daily supply. So I would have taken my entry of that second test of that up thrust right over here. And that was it. I hope this helped you a lot. And quick proof that it was sent to the Discord. Mentals charts. USD JPY right over here. Look, trade was sent on the 6th, which was on Friday. Sorry, man, this is the 6th. I mean the 24th of June is when this was sent, as you can see here. That's that daily point of interest I was talking about. Price rejected, create that area of liquidity. We had that premium supply over here. Price pulls back into that premium supply, and then we rode the trade down to this imbalance down over here.